Hi everyone, this is Atiq. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel Engineering Drive. Today I am going to discuss about comments in Python programs. We know that comments are actually a small thing in every programming language, but they are having a lot of significance. Is it right? Many people, they will ignore the word comments in many programming languages, and often these comments play a vital role in one thing of the programs. What is that? Understanding of the program, as well as documentation of the program, as well as explanation of the programs. Okay, we know that in C language we have single line comment, multi-line comments with the help of slash, okay, forward slash, star, then star, forward slash, or two forward slashes. Even in Java supports comments, even C++ supports comments. But what about Python? Sir, whether Python also support comments? Yes, Python also support comments, and how we can use those comments in the program, I am going to show you now with the help of example. So my dear students, comments are nothing but they are non-executable part of a program, which means our Python interpreter, our programming languages compiler, they won't detect this. They will ignore this one. Whatever is inside the comment will be ignored. So in Python, how the comments are supported, let me show you now. So as usual, let us open our Python editor, okay, with the help of Python keyword. Now my dear students, now what I am going to do is, I will take one variable x. In this variable, I am going to initialize one value 25. Second, next line, I am going to take one variable y. So in this variable, what I am going to do, I am going to initialize one more value, let us say 30. No problem. Now if I want to add two numbers, let us say I want to add these two numbers, then x plus y. This is one way of writing a program. In this program, in this particular part of the Python script, whether I have used any comments means no. I have not used any comments. If I don't use comments also, my programs will be executed, my programs will give output. There is no problem in that. But where is the problem, you know? Let us say I have written one program and I have went somewhere, and my program should be continued by some other person. So if some other person will read my program, if some other person will try to understand the program, it will take a lot of time. Is it right? So what is the solution for that? The same program I will write with comments now. My dear students, let us see. X is equal to same program 25. So here I am going to start comment. Comments in Python is represented and started with a symbol hash. So here we need to make use of a hash symbol to start something in comment. Hash symbol I have used. Now what I am going to do? Let us say I don't know the concept of Python now. First. So what I am going to do is I don't use hash symbol. Now I want to write my name here. I want to write my name Atiq. X is equal to 25 is a valid statement. But after that I have written my name. Let us try to press enter button. Immediately I got error. Because Atiq is an invalid name. It is my name. My computer, my Python editor, they don't know, my Python library, they don't know that it is a keyword. Is it right? But I want to write my name in the program. Now what is the option now for me? Same. X is equal to 25. I want to write my name beside this one. So simply I can make use of the symbol hash, which is a comment symbol. Here I can type my name. After hash, whatever you want, you can type. There is no problem. Now press enter. Any error? No errors. It is a valid statement. Something which is followed after hash will be ignored by our Python interpreter. There is no way that it will show as an error. Okay. So this is just an example I have taken. In real-time situations, what is the use of comments, you know? Let us take in X, I have stored a value 30. Okay. Next, I want to use comment hash. Now I am going to write something that value 30 is assigned to variable X. Enter button. It is a valid statement. Why it is a valid statement? Because I have used here hash symbol, that is a comment symbol in Python. Next, y is equal to, let us take 40. Hash, I am going to give explanation now. Value 40 is assigned to variable y. Press enter button. Next, I want to add these two numbers, x plus y. So here again I can use hash symbol and I can specify what I am doing here. That is, I am doing addition of x and y. So see here, even though if I after typing this program, if some other person will continue this program, easily he can able to understand. Easily he or she can able to understand that x is equal to 30 means value 30 is assigned to variable x. Okay, very nice. Next, value 40 is assigned to variable y. Okay, then what sir is doing? Addition of x and y, adding the contents of x with the contents of y. So the purpose of comments is it improves the readability of the program. Even though if a person has completed the work, the other person can continue the work without any problems. Okay, so the comments are optional in programs. In all the programming languages, like in Python also comments are optional, but it is a good habit that if you use comments, then the readability of the program will increase. Is it okay? So how the comments are represented in Python? With the help of hash symbol. Just type the hash symbol and write whatever you want inside the comments. Okay. So with this, let me close my today's session of video. See you soon everybody. Take care. Allah Hafiz.